Hey friends, the technicians at this appliance repair shop, which has a great reputation in the city, shared these tips with us. So pay close attention because we're going to fix this issue. When we assist a customer whose dishwasher shows 7C and they say, the machine stops washing halfway through the cycle and I don't know what to do. In the shop, we know this usually points to a problem with water drainage. Shop technicians have seen that when the water doesn't drain properly, the machine halts the cycle and displays this code to protect the pump and control board. On the other hand, the drain pump is often the main culprit for this error. If it's blocked, damaged, or dirty, it can't expel the water and 7C appears. Shop technicians inspect the pump, clean out debris, and make sure it spins freely. One customer mentioned, I heard a strange buzzing but the water wouldn't go out, which gives us a clear clue on where to start. Additionally, we can't forget about the drain hoses and filters. If they have food debris, mineral buildup, or kinks, the flow is blocked and the 7C error is triggered. Shop technicians check every connection, clean the filters, and ensure the hoses are free. Some Samsung bulletins warn that dirt buildup in these components can cause the same error, so this step is crucial. Likewise, water level or flow sensors can cause the 7C code. When a sensor sends incorrect signals, the machine thinks the water isn't moving correctly. Shop technicians clean the contacts, check continuity, and test the sensor to make sure it works properly. One customer told us everything looked clean but 7C still showed up, and upon inspection we found that a tiny residue was interfering with the sensor reading.